Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, but rock and maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they have me get to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now this is I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. This is definitely an impromptu video. If you new around here, that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Subscribe to the movement. Hey, just got a phone call. Today is release day of the Panda Dunk Highs, and JD Sports called me today. Typically, obviously, I'm about to get smoked. This lady is about to smoke me. I'm against my car and she still can't. Okay, all right, she got it together. Almost died on camera. Anyway, you usually get a call the day before of a release. If you won, obviously. They forgot to call me, but they seen they were going to get somebody else's sneakers, seen my name on the box, and gave me a call today. So, they're in Josiah's size. Actually hit already this morning before I got this phone call. So now I'll have two pair. Josiah doesn't even want the dunks. He says he doesn't like dunk highs. He thinks he want to be like me so bad. But I'm gonna get them anyway. It is what it is, man. So I'm gonna give a little review. I'm gonna walk into the mall, hurry up and get in and out of here. I appreciate y'all watching one of their videos. Y'all want to get a quick in-store glimpse before we get back to the house. You got the size 8, 6.5. Hold on a second. And there they are. Little quick in-store glimpse. Let's get. What the hell? Oh no, we going back to the counter. No sir. Right, so that just pissed me all the way off. They said that they only have one in every size. They only had a single size run, so they didn't have an additional size, 6.5. So when we get back to the house, I'll try to clean that glue stain off and see if I can get it off the best I can, because it's pretty gross. But we'll see. All right, guys. So we made it back to the house. Go over the box a little bit. Try to get that size label in there. I'm gonna try to rush through it and not rush through it at the same time, if that make any sense. We're about to go to football practice, so I gotta try to get through this pretty quickly. And my energy has changed a little bit. I mean, it's just a glue stain, so I can get that off hopefully. But I'll show that to y'all one more time for those of you that skip through the videos, but the sunlight might wash it out. But if you go back to inside the mall, you can see that it's very, very noticeable just because it's white. The toe box is white, so it looks like a blemish. It looks like a big gray stain, but it's just glue. So hopefully I can get that scraped away. But there's not much to go over on this sneaker. We got an all white and black Dunk High. That's why they call don't want to focus on my ugly mug. Get the sneaker. There we go. White and black. That's why they call it the Panda. You know, very, very simple. But Josiah, just like myself, like I said in the beginning of the video, we're not very big fans of Dunk Highs. It's crazy because I like Jordan 1 highs and Dunk lows, and I like I like Dunk lows and not Jordan 1 lows. So I have the Kentucky Dunks in my size that I'm probably going to keep unless I get a trade or something like that. But outside of that, I won't be keeping any Dunk Highs. And I guess Josiah feels the same way about Dunk Highs. He likes Dunk lows as well. So shout out to one of my friends. She's going to get one of the pair that I hit this morning. And then I'll just probably end up selling this one locally. But I didn't buy these to trade them or sell them. I bought these for him, but he doesn't want them. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. I do like that it does have a little small red hit right there for the Nike branding. But everything else is pretty simple. There's not much to review. I'm not going to drag this video out to try to make a long, review on it. It is what it is. It's black and white Dunk High. Grade school size 6. Right? No. Yeah. What? Hey. 6.5 because it's an 8 women's. For those that don't know, size and a half difference between men and women's sizing. There y'all go. All right, I'm going to get out of here. I got to go to football practice. OVE!